Good morning. Oh my god, I'm literally so tired. My neighbour woke me up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm just not happy about it. But I thought I would record today and show you guys what I get up to. And yeah, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm so tired. But I'm just gonna make my bed now. My hair looks so messy. My bed is made. So basically I thought I would show you like what I get up to on a Monday. Morning, day, night, basically the whole day. So I've got uni today around like literally 3 o'clock. So it gives me like the whole morning and a little bit of afternoon to do like go to the gym. I want to go back to sleep. Go to the gym or like go and do my shopping and stuff. So I just need to check if my friend's awake and I'm gonna get ready for the gym. I'm ready for the gym. I'm just wearing this from PLT, my sports bras from Primark, and my leggings from Gymshark. And excuse my clothes just drying. Oh!
I knew you were there.
Ellie has finally decided to wake up because she went out last night and we're off to the gym. Yeah, it's too early in the morning. Still too early in the morning. 9:42. It took her 42 minutes to
I set my alarm at 9 and I woke up, but I was like, I need another 10 minutes, so I can't. And then my alarm went up again. Like,
and then you're like, I need another 10 minutes. But it's fine. It's basically like day in our life because she's just going to be with me the whole day. So it's not just day in my life. But hope you guys enjoy. Here is me wearing all pink. And there's Ellie wearing all black.
A few months back I was like, oh my god, I really want AirPods, and this girl was like, no, AirPods are for like weirdos, and now guess what she wants?
I never said weirdos.
AirPods. She wants AirPods. She didn't let me buy them.
I never said that for
And now
weirdos.
she wants
I just
them.
didn't like them at first, but now I like them and want them.
Someone please buy us AirPods. Thank you. Bye. We've just finished at the gym. Oh my god, look at my hair.
So cute.
We're off to Aldi for a food shop because it's cheap
So are we.
and we're broke. Ellie, how much do you think it will be?
Mine around this.
Well, that's not fair because you calculated. I think mine's gonna be
Oh yeah, sorry.
£15, around 15.
We just got back home. Guess how much I spent? How much was it?
15?
£14. I said 15, but I was like £1 off it. So that's not bad. I'm gonna put my shit away. Food haul. So I got chicken. I'm gonna do roasted chicken and then have that with like salad. Love that. Got some mushrooms. Hi. Hello. Got one of these. Yeah. Are you going there?
Yeah.
Oh. Have fun. Got one of these. I was gonna have avocado on top. Wait, let me just put my bag over here.
We need to have corn tacos again, but
Yes.
keep calling them that, but they're really not, the letter's right.
Got some tomatoes. Got bin bags because I'm just like that. Got this for my salad. Got some prawns. Oh my god, go to Aldi and get prawns. That is so cheap. Chilies.
avocado. Avocado.
Thanks.
Oh, a bit late. Got some sweet corn. Got 2 of these because I'm gonna have like, I love having sweet corn. And then got this lettuce. And all of them were only £14. Forgot to record it, but we've just made iced latte, iced coffee with oat milk. Where's my straw? Cheers. Oh no, I need to put my syrup in.
Oh no.
Oh no. I've got this from TK Maxx, which is...
Velveeta's were £2 today. Good job you've stacked up.
Really?
Yeah.
This is like 0 calorie and 0 sugar. It's not focusing, but that's what it is. And I literally put a tiny drop. Tiny drop goes a long way. Get it?
That actually does look nice.
Stir, stir, stir. Let me try it now. So much better. Try mine. This is literally like Starbucks coffee. Too sweet. It's nice.
Like
Right, so for lunch I'm having prawn and sweet corn. It's a very weird combo, but you know, we're going with it. No one cares what you're having.
It's not a weird combo. I was literally thinking of having that.
Sweet corn and
Prawns.
that's weird.
No, it's not. You think
That's-
everything's weird.
No, I don't. That's weird.
It's not.
It's like raw, but then you can have.
It's really not that weird. You're just thinking.
Right, so I've got chili and garlic, and oh my god, this smells so good. And then I'm gonna put some prawns, and then put my sweet corn afterwards when the prawn's cooked. Ooh, look at this! Oh my god, that looks so cute. Oh yeah, you float like a fish. Lunch is served. That looks pang. And this is Ellie's. Right, so I've just finished my lunch slash breakfast. I'm not really a breakfast person, so I kind of like skip breakfast. I know it's really bad because people say that breakfast is like the most important meal of the day, but for me, I just don't really care about it. I prefer having lunch and dinner properly. So I've just had my lunch and now I'm just watching Vampire Diaries. I'm on season 2 episode 16. I feel like I've watched this season before. I'm like rewatching it again, but I don't know like how far I've got. Yeah, so basically I thought I would vlog today because just like everyone's got this negative vibe about Mondays, but I feel like Mondays are like really good. Like I get so much work done, and I actually love Mondays. So yeah, and it's only 12 o'clock now, and I've been to the gym, went shopping, made lunch, had my lunch. Now I'm gonna get in the shower and then get some work done, and then go to uni because I start at 3 today, 3 till 6 I think. So I'm gonna do that. Right, my hair, like my front bit's getting too long, so I might give it a little cut. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit, but I feel like I'm just gonna ruin it. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna cut it, I don't care. Oh my god. Oh no, I don't know if I like that. Shit. Oh, I don't like that. Why have... Oh. It'll just grow, it's fine. Now I need to like make it even. Why did I just do that? Right, wait. Just straighten my hair. Look how short the thing is. I don't even know what got into me. Like, why did I even cut it? But it's fine, I can like always hide it. So I'm wearing this, like I just thought I would wear the matching set because I prefer it like this. So I'm just gonna wear these too. Yeah.
Today.
Just walking back. It's too dark. Too dark. I'm not that cold. Right, we just got home. Well, we got home earlier, but then what are you doing? I've marinated my chicken, but then I forgot to film it. So this is what it looks like. It's just been in the oven. Oh, la 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 la. And I'll probably have to put it in there for an hour. And yeah, so I've just been stressing out because I want to be free for 7 o'clock, because what we're doing at 7 o'clock?
Gymshark sale.
Yeah, so we have to be free.
Thinking, what are we doing at 7 o'clock?
So yeah.
What's the look of that bun club?
Ooh! She's having stir fry. So what I've done is cut me sweet potatoes and then put some oil, salt and pepper, and I might put some garlic powder as well. While my chicken's cooking, I'm just having guac and these new things that I'm trying, and it's so good. We're just watching You to like catch up on, because season 2 is coming out, and then got my laptop with the Gymshark, so we're ready to get on it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I feel like I won't get anything. Go! Oh my god, you have to refresh everything. I'm not gonna get anything, Ellie. Medium.
Should I get
small.
large in that top?
I feel like I'm gonna get small. I'm gonna get small.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm gonna get medium. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what's happened?
What the hell?
It's literally crashed.
I think I might just have to leave it now.
I'm meaning to show you my new sunglasses, they're so cute.
Okay. Yeah. Send me a Snapchat. At least my chicken's done. I will show you guys my chicken. Right, so the chicken's done. So what I've put is rosemary, salt and pepper and some garlic. And then my sweet potato is just there. I'm gonna let that rest. Actually just paid, and this is what it said. Try refreshing the page if the site still doesn't refresh. Wow.
How do I know to put
I don't care. I'm leaving it.
it? Just keeps.
I'm just giving up.
Every order, it just crashes.
Still queuing for it. But this is my dinner: sweet potato and roasted chicken. Healthy. We managed to do it! 62 pounds on Gymshark. Let's see the lyrics. Hey there!
What's it like?
Okay,
No.
hey there!
What's it like in New York City? Tonight you go to break. Tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square,
Right.
Times it's true. There it's true.
Don't you worry about it!
Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Get it out!
Whoever finds it, they get to eat it. They're all in the bin. I feel sick. Oh my god. That was like the funniest thing ever. Oh my god, I'm actually like crying. Basically, we've had our dinner. What did we do after that? We came downstairs, tried doing some work. Just can't concentrate because this girl over here is just so loud. No, I'm joking.
Yeah, I forgot you had your headband.
But yeah, we usually like go on Netflix and watch a film and then stay upstairs, but we felt like coming downstairs today. We'll try and do some work. Got it down here, but haven't actually written anything, typed anything. And yeah, had a packet of Kit Kat.
A packet of Kit Kat.
Packet of Kit Kat. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
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 Like, subscribe and comment. Is it for YouTube?